Blueprints are a company who work with brand and culture. They engage all of your employees in defining that culture, measuring that culture and improving that culture. Your people make your business. How your people behave, how they interact with customers, how they interact with each other, how they interact with suppliers, builds your brand, builds your company, builds your bottom line.
One of the biggest changes we've seen since using Blueprint is we've created a common language across our business that just didn't exist before.
We build a language that is the language of the employees.
It's a language that hasn't been imposed, it's been a language that's been created by our people.
We put this in, we build this language and we support it with the icons which are pictorial. We crowdsource from people. What do they think we need to do more of in the business and what do they think we need to do less of in the business?
The initial survey gave us a fantastic benchmark, so we knew where we were against where we wanted to be. So we were able to make a lot of improvements very quickly, and it was many of our employees that got involved in the working groups and the action plans to make the changes happen.
We support the company all the way through the process, understanding your blueprint, understanding what it means, and understanding what the results are in each measurement.
I think it's really vital to get statistics, particularly around culture. We have finance, we have health and safety, we have customer performance, and the one thing that people really find it difficult to measure is culture. And the one thing that the Blueprint approach does is it gives you a measure of your culture, how you're performing and where you need to improve. And that's one of the things that we've added into our board reports and adds value to the overall picture of the business.
Those companies that use blueprints tend to be forward-thinking, they tend to be innovative. They understand that their people are vital. Now, many companies will say our people are our greatest asset. Very few actually believe that. The ones who do believe it are the ones that are likely to see the advantage in using blueprints.
Our employees really thrived from the fact that they could see changes taking place based upon what they'd given us feedback on. It's also given them a real great sense of ownership because they've been able to get on and be creative and innovative in their own areas of work.
The fastest that we've actually implemented a blueprint to the point where the people have their dictionary with the icons is 6 weeks. So what I would say to anybody who's interested in blueprint is we understand that you're unique and we will help you define that.